There's like a drink section, a little drink station, and a merch station right here. Well, let's go inside the stadium and see what the merch looks like. So here's what the front of the stadium looks like. Got a clear bag. I'm not sure. Oh, look at the handing out free waters. They're handing out free waters. Take, man. Cool. So here's what the front of the stadium looks like. It's all the people coming in. I think it's about 5:30 right now. I have a clear bag on me. I don't think I have to go to bag check. Here we are at the front of Allegiant Stadium. This is where all the fans are coming in right here. This is the north entry. And I got this clear bag. Got this clear bag I have on me from one of the shops at Mandalay. And they said it's okay. You don't need to go to bag check. As long as it's a clear bag, you should be good. Let's go ahead and head inside. So it doesn't look as crazy attendance-wise compared to BTS. I'm already almost at the front of the gates. I remember the BTS concert being already jam-packed. I have a video on my channel if you want to go see that. Alright, looks like it's a bit confusing. This is a line right here stretching. Let me go see where the front of it starts. Let's cut through this crowd right here. Wow, we could stand right here. Huh? Looks like they changed the color of the steps. Alright, so I'm at the front of the stadium. Let's take a little walk around. They're giving out some little lanyards. Some lanyards here. A lot of lanyards. And it looks like the color of the steps going into Allegiant. So this is at KAROL Tropiqueta. Lanyards. Drinks, you can buy your drinks here. I'm gonna do a little walk around and see what yeah, sure.
There you go.
Thank you. So here's what the lanyard looks like. Assume it's gonna light up. Tropiqueta. So, Colombia, yeah? Yeah? Here's the steps to Allegiant. It's already pre-gamed at the Re-Raws and Mandalay Bay. That's where I parked. Let's go up these steps, see what's up there. There should be a merch tent right at the front entrance. Let's go take a look at that. Chelada.
drinks, guys. Modelo, Topo Chicos.
Here's the selfie spot right here. You get a nice view of the skyline. Oh, I already pre-gamed that re-rod. maybe. Already pre-gamed. Already had like 3 beers. Doing good so far. Still do a lot of walking. I'm gonna have to take a look at my seats, see where I'm at. Let's look at the crowd coming in. And my seats are in the 230, 240 section, so let's see what view I got. It's hot, but at least the looks like some big monsoon or thunder clouds blocking the sun over there. Helping out a little bit against this heat. Okay, now we're inside. Should be the 100 level. So Al Davis Flame. Got football season coming up too. Raider image. Wonder what this line is for over here. Let's go find the merch. Just a little look at the merch over there. Pretty long line. Okay, so I'm walking. I need to get to the 200 section. Probably should go up those escalators. Or I'm going up to 240 section. This should be right at the top where the L. Davis Flame has the bar. And there should be some more merch over here. I'm about to take a look. Okay, line might be a little shorter. We'll start. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and here's the prices for the merch. I'll go pick something out. Alright, so I'm almost at this merch line. This line's a lot shorter. Let's see what they got over here. Got some sweaters, a little too hot for that. Tank tops. They have a Tours shirt over here. I like that green one. Wish they had that Bratz version though. But it still said pre-order. Alright, so here's a 2X Tours t-shirt. Chicago, Toronto, Los Angeles, Paso. There's Allegiant. Oh, there you go. Las Vegas right there. I'm gonna put this one on right here. Here's the front. Mundo.